Everything is so rusty over here. Check it out. Oh, also down there. I'm really worried about these towels, which they are never really clean. Check it out here. And on the side. Oh my gosh. If you have any diseases, you should never come. Oh, that's amazing. They brought paper toilet. Oh my gosh, I'm getting some diseases by touching it. I didn't have paper toilet for 3 days, 4 days. That's incredible. Oh, I cannot believe that. That's amazing. Good morning, everybody. I arrived a bit late at the Cebu airport. I'm sure I'm gonna be able to catch my flight. I'm not sure if they're gonna put it inside in time. Therefore, I may end up in Kuala Lumpur without my main luggage. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there means 15 minutes. I'm still here waiting. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Kuala Lumpur.
Yes. Apparently there is a terminal fee and I need to go to the ATM to get the cash. That's so crazy. I've never seen a terminal fee before. It's so weird. I had to withdraw 2,000 from the ATM. It wasn't possible to take less money. I had to pay also 250 as a fee to withdraw, and now I will pay the fee to get inside the, the airport. It is so crazy and unexpected. So we are here waiting forever and we met Evelyn.
Hi.
What do you think about this line?
It's way too long and it takes too long time.
Yeah, that's a very common problem here in the Philippines, but okay, so it's fine. Thank you. Anyway, guys, we are getting finally on this flight. It took forever.
Yes.
No breaks, just lines after lines. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you. Morning. Sir.
So I have 30D. Same. Oh, I am on the corridor. Thank you. It's much bigger than I expected.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Ah, from the Philippines.
Filipino.
Okay.
I think we're good. Just the arrival direction. Yeah, don't worry.
Are you coming here for vacation or work?
Yeah, for vacation, and then I have I need to go to Poland embassy.
To Poland?
Yeah.
In Europe?
Yeah, in Europe.
Huh? Yeah.
Poland embassy first. I have my appearance tomorrow.
Where is Poland in Brazil?
Here.
Ah.
Because Poland embassy in Philippines.
The Poland ambassade. The ambassade.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, my mother is from Poland.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, really?
I can speak Polish.
Okay, nice.
Do you speak Polish?
No. I'm a welder, skilled.
What's a welder?
You know, you're going to link two pipes, steel pipe.
How much is one ticket for the city center?
One way, 55 ringgit.
Thank you, have a good day.
You too.
I think it's expensive for train.
Yes.
It's 20 euro for going and back. That's almost like European price.
Yeah, I hope that the train is perfection like in Sweden. I don't know.
I thought like something like 2 or 3 euro.
Yeah.
Let's go exploring! Hurry up!
So we arrived in Kuala Lumpur. This is KL Central, if I remember it correctly. And now we're gonna check the Twin Towers and then Evelyn is probably, I don't know, maybe she will fly to Bali and enjoy her life and I'm gonna find my hotel somewhere. I think it's too much. You see?
Yeah.
Oh. I have this weird feeling about this metro station because of how it is built. And being above the city, it reminds me a lot of Berlin in Germany with 50 degrees more. Yeah. Okay, much better.
More place.
Evelyn was speaking about her job and we kinda missed the station.
My fault.
KLCC and we are at Amang Park.
Yeah.
Just
Wrong.
one way and we'll be
fault.
fine. No, no worries, it's not her fault, both people's fault.
We were talking too much.
Yeah, yeah.
Touristic things.
So we made it incredibly.
Okay. Here right now.
Excuse me, for the Twin Towers? Okay,
Right there.
thank you.
It's called KLCC. Just
Okay.
follow the arrows KLCC.
Ah, okay, thank you. Okay, there are some skyscrapers
Yeah. Wow.
and there is a huge difference between the AC and the normal weather.
Oh my God, yes.
Okay. See, looks a bit like Manila. I don't know if you've been there. There is the business area of Manila looks pretty similar. So we're about to find a good viewpoint to see better these Twin Towers, KLCC.
Oh, yeah.
I think at night it must look amazing.
I think
So we turn and we go see from there.
If you want, just outside.
Okay, we can try.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody's selling the wide lenses for the phones to have a better photo of the Twin Towers. The problem is that there is this building behind us that it will block the view. So we need to find a good spot.
So,
You cannot have any fantasy in Malaysia. They tell you where you should take the photo.
yeah, really. Oh my God, really.
Solution is to be fit like her and she can pass.
Oh my God.
No, how did you do that?
Let's go.
Okay, now there is the computer. Can you take this for a moment?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, European style of skipping
Yeah.
stuff.
The
Thank you
lazy
so
way.
much. Life in 2019, everything for a perfect photo. And it's red. That's the spot. There is no better spot for sure, unless you are on the top of the building. Wow. We just noticed that everybody's on the left in this country.
We're gonna remember this.
So now we are gonna take another escalator, taking the left side, which is important. Okay, no escalator. Guys, the one behind me, it's a $12 a night hotel, and that's the main reason I booked it. So let's hope the building will not fall down. In Malaysia they drive on the other side, therefore there are gonna be no rules. We're gonna cross the street as we please. Okay, here you get the deal.
Let's see how it is in real for you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so curious. Third floor, this has a reception. Wow, $12. So we have the guy that will carry on our luggages.
Yeah.
No, it works.
I will do that.
Oh. Reception, number 3. The floor is scratched, maybe dirty, but who cares? The door closed, smashed in a pretty interesting way.
Wow, it's hot in here.
Yeah, I mean this country probably.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm good. What about you? I have a reservation. Should I tell you the number or the surname? Ponte.
Your booking?
Yeah, through the booking.
Sorry?
Through booking, yes.
Mirror is enough.
For a girl. Do you have the same in your saloon or
No.
do you want to put more mirrors?
Again. Another one.
Wow.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's gonna be so interesting trying to read the newspapers. Oh,
Yeah.
they found a whale shark. Wow. Okay. Maybe we should read this news to keep them all happy.
But this looks very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
I think they got some awards. 2018 and 2016.
Something like TripAdvisor or so. Oh, you're in the.
Yeah, on the last floor. Do you think? Do you think I will get a window, a window seat?
I hope, and I hope you have airco.
Oh,
It's so hot.
I don't think it's possible to get an airco for $12. Oh gosh.
Or maybe just a fan.
Hmm? Yeah, a fan would be okay.
Yeah, that's okay too.
That's okay to survive. 15 person. They say you 15 person.
15.
I don't know. I'm not European, so. Okay. So we get to the dirty staircase, which we love. 7 floors. Number 1, 2, 3, and ready to see some magic. Let's see if it works like this. Oh, it works. I'm gonna leave. Oh, it's not opening. Oh, it's opening.
Oh, the alarm goes off.
The light? We need the light to shoot the video. Okay, the light is working. Oh, there is a mirror. I'm really curious if there is a window. Let's hope we get a miracle.
Now the view comes.
Oh, the bed is pretty huge.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
my
very
gosh.
good.
Oh, there is a wall and there is something to see. Ah, that's amazing. Let's get it on the other side. There is a wall and
Oh my god.
do you know, like this shape in Europe, we make it when there are castles, and with the arrow you have to shoot and not get shot.
It's crazy.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look, this aircon is probably there since World War II. Some insect walking, perfect. And,
Oh, but you have one.
oh, you have an aircon. I don't know if it will
Let's
work.
try it.
Yeah.
It says 30 degrees. It's 30 degrees in here.
Oh my gosh. Will it open? Oh, it's moving, guys. Technology. By the way, this thing,
Oh, yes.
this carpet is so dirty. I mean, I've never seen a much dirtier carpet, but I'm very happy you chose this other. What's here? What's that? I don't know. I think I shouldn't touch anything on. Oh my gosh. You have no idea, this table is so fucking dirty, like if you touch, you take out dust. I don't know.
Like glue or candy.
Oh gosh. But at least we have a coffee station with some super coffee. And let's check the most important part of every house.
It's not working.
It's not working.
Oh my god, no.
No? Really?
No. I don't hear any noise.
Maybe. Oh, it's working, it's working. It's not powerful, but
It's not powerful.
it's not powerful at all. I can feel the wind.
Okay.
Kinda warm, but maybe we should leave it turned on.
Yeah.
And that's the most important part of the house. Well,
It's nice.
it's nice, it's wet. I mean, I don't know if it's losing water from the toilet, but
Oh, yeah.
here we get the, what's it called? I mean, without the
The invisible curtain.
yeah, the invisible curtain.
It looks beautiful.
Harry Potter.
Yeah, you see the flowers on it? Yeah,
Oh.
beautiful. Wow.
Ah. That's the perfect location for a YouTube video. Therefore, I think that's it for today. Now we're gonna go explore the city. Thank you for watching. And now I always end the video saying keep reading and believe in your dreams. Ciao.
Nice quotes. Bye.
I always forget to film it. Like every fridge in Asia, it's empty. Check it out. I went out for the whole morning and nobody did my room. Well, doesn't matter. They brought me new towels, but they're kinda dirty everywhere. So dirty. Something unbelievable just happened. It is my last day here and someone actually came and did my room. I cannot believe that. The funny thing is that they saw my clothes trying to dry everywhere in the room. Look, that's my shower situation. And that's not nice to see, but that's one of my wardrobe with all my shirts. Well, let's hope they will dry faster. Tonight they didn't, because tomorrow I'm gonna fly to Vietnam.